Hello Control Alt listeners, and welcome to another exciting episode of Control Alt Listen. Today I have a special guest with me from SBM, the Director of Business Applications, Mr. Sherif Youssef. Sherif, welcome to the show.
Thank you. Thank you for hosting me.
So Sherif, we've been at Leap for the past 2 days, and everything that we've heard about is AI. Right? How do you see AI shaping the landscape of the region?
First of all, let's agree that AI is transforming the business in the world, not only in Saudi Arabia. And at Saudi, we are getting special attention to the AI because it is aligned with the Vision 2030.
Yes.
And it's in general helping on the economic diversification and the digital transformation. And there's another objective on Vision 2030 where Saudi Arabia wants to be a technological and innovation hub in the region and beyond.
Now, in line with what you're saying, if from an SBM perspective, how do you see what you just said impacting business processes?
In general, in SBM, our senior consultants and subject matter experts are engaging with the customer to try to identify the best use cases and the best business processes where we can apply AI to get the benefit out of that, and or the customer get the benefit out of that and help him accelerate the AI journey. We have many use cases and we have many industries where the AI helps, from aerospace and defense, manufacturing, agriculture, the FSI, the financial sector and the insurance, the sustainable energy, oil and gas, retail, business, construction, entertainment, and smart cities. So these are all industries where AI can identify specific use cases to accelerate a business process and make it smoother.
Okay, so what are some of the key AI solutions that SBM are developing in collaboration with OpenText around content management?
We have the information management and search, where the people can search for some information. Let's say if someone asked the legal advisor for an information, and this information is available in an unstructured data, whether it is on email, on documents, in contracts. So these different sources, we are getting it in a data set, and we can search all at the same time. So this person can chat and get the answer very fast from different sources of data.
Okay, good. So Sherif, in closing, how can organizations build a sustainable AI strategy that's aligned to business goals?
I think the investment any organization is doing in the AI is just like any other investment. They need to have an ROI study and make sure that it is aligned with their business objectives and they are spending on the right direction. So first they identify the business objectives and they put on the strategy to start with a scalable solution where they can start small and then grow. And there is always the focus on the ethical use of the AI and upskilling the workforce so that the people start using the AI, and finally the continuous monitoring for what the AI model is doing and enhancing that. So these 5 factors need to be taken in consideration while building an AI strategy.
Okay. Sherif, thank you so much for taking the time for joining us on the show.
Thank you.
We certainly found your comments insightful, and we hope you enjoy the rest of the day at Leap.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for joining us on another episode of Control Alt Listen. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated on the latest episodes, and we will talk to you soon. Take care.